Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for some Happy Mail unboxing. I got a notification from the post office saying I had mail. I thought it was from another friend that had sent something over, and as you can see, I have my cute little gnomie Barbara here with our other gnome that we got from Marshall's. And this special mail, I had to wait for Emmy until she came home, and she's just getting her backpack. So let me see if she's here now. Okay, I hear her. Ems, come here.
What's here?
So this is a package, Emmy. Hold on, let's move Barbara.
Who's it from?
We'll take a look. Hold on. Let me just move Barbara and our big guy gnome there. Take a look at the name. Look at the name and see who's it from.
Frederick.
Do you remember who Frederick is and who sent it?
Oh, Corn?
Yeah. So she sent us some surprise mail, so we are going to open this up. So Corn, thank you so much for sending whatever it is that's in here. I'm super excited. So if you're not familiar with Corn, a Flowers Crafts channel, make sure to check it out. She has a wonderful gnome doll series that she's featured and so many other crafty hauls that I know you guys will enjoy, and she is a joy to watch together with her husband Handsome, so make sure to check it out. So let me just open this up and then Emmy will help me unbox it. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful, I love teal blue. Let's slowly unravel, carefully, it is fragile. Oh my goodness, what is this, Corn? Oh my goodness, look. There's a letter. Look at that. Oh,
look how cute that is.
Cute. Is this from Fred? So we have a running inside joke. So Corn has beautiful gnomes, and one of them happens to have a name, Fred. And Fred likes, or let's just say has a little, what should we say? Crush on me,
I guess.
Anyway, so Corn and I have a little inside running joke with her cute gnomes, and Fred is an adorable little gentleman. Let's see if this is from Fred. So Ams, this is from Corn. Let's read this first. So let me take this off camera and read it real quick. Alright guys, Emmy and I just read this note, but I want to read just a portion of it. It says, "Dear Clarissa, hello from me and Fred." And it says here the brushes are from me and Corn. When she did her DT haul, I kept commenting saying, oh, we can never find these brushes. Oh my goodness. And you're going to see my DT haul. I was able to find them, but not quite the size I wanted. But thank you so much. And then here, in addition, she said, "What is under the top layer is made just for you from Fred. He also made you the tiny card." So Ams, we're gonna read that. "He no longer has a crush on you because he respects you and your family. He does, however, want to be a close friend." Of course, Fred, you are a wonderful friend. He thinks that you may feel the same way. He told me that he thinks you understand gnomes and their ways. In other words, you get them. Thank you, Corn. This is so exciting. Emmy, do you want to open this?
Okay.
And just, yeah.
Wait, what if it has spoilers? I think maybe we should read after.
No.
Okay,
let's do it.
Okay.
It was
so
on
tiny
top.
and cute.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, do you want to read it?
Sure.
Okay.
"Dear Clarissa, I made this gnome for you because I hope you know that I think you're wonderful. She can be friends with Barbara. Please give her a name you like. She comes alive when she is loved. I hope you think of me whenever you see her. Sincere friendship, Fred."
Oh, Corn, this is so sweet. I love it. Okay, I'm slowly unravel. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry guys. And slowly. So these must be the brushes. Oh my goodness, Corn. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, will be used. I just bought some distress ink and I'm going to assign each brush to that. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, Corn. Oh wow. Thank you. So she got me all these wonderful brushes that are perfect for applying your distress ink. And I swear, I have been searching for these high and low in 2 different DTs. I finally got a couple recently in this size, but I've never seen this or this. So Corn, thank you so much. Now I see a little gnome nose, Emma, peeking underneath. So shall we slowly lift that up? Oh my gosh. Careful, careful. Got it?
Yep.
There you go. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Let me move this. Oh my goodness. Do you love her?
She's so pretty.
Fred, you really know my favorite colors, don't you? This is gorgeous, Corn. I love her. Look at the braids.
They're so nice. They're
I
like,
love that.
it's like a
She has
different
like the
type.
crimping on her hair. That beautiful light sea foam blue little outfit. And look at
I love
that
the
skirt.
skirt.
Let's give her a spin.
Look at this.
Oh my goodness. Guys, just so you know, Corn had hand sewn. A lot of these are not machine sewn. These are all literally handmade with love. Oh my goodness.
And she
Look at that.
even has shoes. Look at them.
Oh my goodness, look.
Look at the little bows.
There's some, I have to take a picture of that and show you what that looks like up close. But look at this flower applique that she put. And it looks like
The
beads.
beads.
Oh my gosh. What are we going to name her? Am's, you're going to have to help
We
me.
need to think.
We have to think. It has to be a really special name. And look at the gorgeous flower little trims that she put here with the felt leaves. The details, and look at that nose. That is so cute. It's amazing to see your creations in person, Corn. This is seriously beautiful. I love her. She's so cute. Emmy and I
She's so
love
cute.
her. Barbara, what are you
I
waiting
love her
for?
pigtails.
Come over and say hi to your friend. She's a little shy and a little heavy. So she's gonna say hi. Look. There, Fred. Do you see them? They're actually saying hi to each other. We're gonna have to figure out what Barbara's friend's name is gonna be. But she is so happy to have the new company, and they are going to be hanging out in our craft room. So whenever Emmy and I craft together, there'll be our little gnomies.
Oh,
Isn't
they're so
that cute? Corn, thank you so much for this super amazing surprise. A happy mail from you, and make sure Fred knows that we really appreciate the handiwork here that he put into this together with your magic. It is really amazing. I feel super lucky. Me and Emmy feel like, woo! It's we're just watching it and now finally having it in our hands. What a gorgeous gnome. So we are gonna have to think of a special name, and we'll update you and probably put the name up here when we finally edit this video. But I'm thinking in my head it has to do something with flowers.
Yeah, me too.
She just looks gorgeous, doesn't she? So we're gonna have to think about that. But again, Corn, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. And to Fred, big hugs. You guys are wonderful friends. And Barbara says hi. Hello. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. We will catch you again next time. Make sure to check out Corn's channel and check out the wonderful Gnome Doll series that she has posted and all the beautiful crafty videos that she shares with all of us. Again, thank you, Corn.
Thank you.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.